Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Mira's performance slash stage outfit on Dress to Impress. And the best part is you do not need any VIP item for this, so let's get started with the video. Alright, so I'm just going to remove everything except for the adjustments that I've made. I know I do that a lot, but it's just a little bit easier for me to kind of work with and show you guys. So I'm just going to remove that. Okay, and I'm just going to keep the hair even though I did no adjustments. Select this hair. It's from the bangs area. Colored it FF5D7B, so save that because we're going to use it for the rest. Use this long hair in that same color as well. Then go to this dressing room area and use this one. It's from Coats. It's this one with the no bangs toggle in the same color. Then for the lashes, toggle it to the 7th one, position the Y at 0.49, Z 0.47, scale it to 0.42. Now for the outfit, we're going to use this top over here, this one, in this color, in this black color, in rainbow glitter. Then we're also going to use these gloves in rainbow glitter, in this color, and then the rest in just black. Like so. Then we're also going to get these sleeves in that same black color in rainbow glitter. For this like gold detail, use this necklace from the currency item, this one. So color the first one black, and then the 4th and the 5th and 6th, this color CC9224. For that gold color in glitter. Position the Y at 0.20, Z 0.40, rotate the X to 0.48. Grab this jacket, this leather jacket, in no watermelon, in this black color in rainbow glitter again. Then the second one to black. Then we're going to go to codes again. We're going to go here, select just color. Color the first one this gold, CB9124 in I think I did glitter, and then in white, and then that gold again, and then that gold again in glitter, like so. Then you're going to grab this necklace from Codes as well, and you're going to color everything black. For the skirt, we're going to use this skirt here in white, in matte, and then, whoops, in that gold again. Grab this skirt and then toggle it to the slit toggle and color it white. Grab this belt and color it all black. Then get this belt and color that gold, this like the same gold. For the shoes, we're going to use these shoes here from the currency item, the like skull shoes, this one. In the second toggle in white, except for the laces, we're going to color that gold color. And then we're going to also use these boots from Codes in black and leather, so just color everything black for that. Then I'm just going to grab a mic and you're good to go. You can also use those accessories if you'd like to, but I'm just going to leave it like this because she doesn't actually wear it in the performance. So yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!